Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to display a Google form inside your React Native app. So first off, you're going to want to create the form, and you can see that I'm doing that on screen. So a couple of reasons why you might want to display a form. You might want to be able to collect user data, or you might even want users to be able to collect data from like their employees. Say you've got like some sort of company app where they can interact with their employees. They might have forms they might want to collect their employee info from, like on how engaged employees are, for example. So in that case, you would allow the company users to create a form and then copy that form and save it, and then that would probably hit some API, which then would allow the form to be displayed to the employees of the company. The other case is obviously when you want to collect info from your users, so you could either create an advanced and hard-code it into your application, or you could have an API that gets like the current surveys available to fill out. So you can see there's many different options on a Google form about what type of question you want, and also whether you want it to be required, and you can just add whatever you want. You can style it so that it's more in line with your brand as well. Once it's done, you can click the send button and you can copy that link. I've chosen to shorten the URL so it's shorter. And you can also specify whether you collect emails. So I've got mine set at do not collect. So now I'm heading on over to my application, and you'll see that I've installed this React Native web view. That's because inside the web view, I'm going to display the form. So if you're allowing company users to create their own forms that they want to collect data from their employees, you would also have the web view that would show the form, and then allow them to copy the link in and submit it somewhere within the app so that it could be sent out to their employees. Just going to give this some really basic styling. And the source is the form URL, which I've copied and pasted in here. Gave it a save, and the issue that I'm having is that I didn't add that end tag for that web view. So just adding that end tag in, you can see it's going to load that form. Cool, the form's loaded, but you can see that sort of overlaps the safe area. I could include it in a safe area view. I'm just going to add a vertical margin though instead, just for ease. 64 should be well enough to be outside that area, and you can see that fits within the bounds of the iOS device. So I've got my form on screen. Now I want to show you that I can go ahead and fill it out and it will submit data. Once I'm done, I can click submit, and that would enable my form to be complete. Over here I can see that responses have been recorded and they align with what has been submitted by the user of my app. If I wanted to, I could then go off and create a sheet so that I can view it in a more Excel style format and create graphs, or I could do some analytics on the data that I collect. You can see that that data is now in my sheet. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial today. If you have, please like and subscribe for more content. All my code will be available on GitHub.